Hi, Jessie with Simply Refreshing Life. And today I'm coming to you because I wanted to show you simple makeup. I want to try the new Young Living makeup. This just came out in June and I just got it. So I'm going to try it with you. And my tone is, oh my gosh, I'm not wearing my glasses. I don't remember. I think it's, let me see. uh, Fresh beige. That's my tone. And so we're gonna try it out. Now, I'm not a makeup artist. If you're a makeup artist and you're watching this, you're probably gonna go, "Oh my God, what is she doing?" I just put very simple makeup. I like to put makeup every day, but I do it like a very simple. I put foundation, and I put a little bit of uh, eyeliner. I do my brows and I do blush and lipstick. That's it. I spend about 5-10 minutes at the most doing my makeup every day. So um, I don't contour or anything like that. It's very simple. So the first thing I'm going to do though is I'm going to put sunscreen. It's very important to protect your skin from the sun. um, I don't know if I'm gonna go out. Well, actually, today I'm gonna go out, but I don't go out every day. But if I do, I'm protected. So I only need this much. This is Young Living Mineral Sunscreen Lotion. It doesn't. I like this because it doesn't smell. You know how you have different um, sunscreens that you put on and immediately you smell like a swimming pool. Not this one. It doesn't smell. It has no smell. So I'm not gonna say that it smells really good or really bad or anything. It just has no smell. I don't smell anything. So I'm gonna put it all over my face. And in this case, I'm gonna put it in my chest because I'm wearing this blouse that has my shoulders exposed. And I don't. The problem with me is that I don't get a suntan, but I actually get really red. Like it's bad. So I'm not gonna put makeup here. I'm just gonna put makeup on my face, but I wanted to put this all over my ears. Anyway, after that, I'm gonna try the makeup and see how it is. Now I not always used sunscreen, so I have like this sunspots. I don't know if you can see them. I haven't been able to get rid of them. They have gotten better. They used to be really dark. I've been using this oil. Let me show you. Oh, where is it? Here it is. Blue Cypress right here. I've been using this on my cream and it has gotten better because they were really dark. So eventually I'm hoping they'll leave me. But anyway, I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on my hand, just as much. And with the sponge, I'm just going to put it on my face and let's see. So this is supposed to be, I'm looking at my mirror, so medium to full coverage. That's what I read. It's free of toxins and free of chemicals. It's all natural color. And I can write more about it in the description, so I don't talk that much. Okay, my forehead. I like it, and the tone is really nice. It's like it like blends with my natural tone. I'm not white, but I'm not very dark either. So it's sometimes it's hard for me to choose. So this one I chose it from the picture I saw online. And let me tell you, when I did that with other companies, I always, like almost always, did I choose the wrong color, and I was stuck with either too dark or too light. I really like this color. It really again, I'm not a makeup artist, so if you're a makeup artist and you're watching this, please have some grace because I am not one. But I just apply makeup how I've seen and how I've learned. I've always known to apply it like this, so I really like it. How it is. So I'm just gonna do my brows real quick because I have like no hair there. So this is a very simple everyday makeup. I don't even wear eyeshadow. Like I'll wear eyeshadow every now and then, but but in a regular basis, like, you know, on a regular day or whatnot, I don't. I really don't. I just apply very simple. I don't like to just go out without my, you know, anything on, but I like to, you know, have a little makeup on. It makes me feel ready for the day. Even if I know I'm not going out, it's okay. So just a little eye liner. And I don't think I took out my lipstick. That's it. I'm gonna apply some mascara. I don't even curl my eyelashes. I don't like to wear fake lashes because I wear glasses and it's a problem. So I just do a quick eyelash thing here. Oh my gosh. This is hair that got into my face here. Okay, that's it. And then I'm gonna apply a little blush that I have here. And the cosmetics I have some from Young Living. I'm still collecting or getting my collection ready from Young Living. You do this little by little. So I have some others. Oh my gosh, I think that's too much. Just gonna, again, I'm gonna say it again. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just a mom that, you know, I wanna look nice for my day, and I usually do this before. And guys, that's it. I'm gonna get a little lipstick. I'm sorry, I'm gonna move the camera just a little because I forgot to get it out. And here it is. So I have makeup from everywhere. I have makeup from, you know, the store, Young Living. From Young Living, I have the makeup that I just showed you. And I also have an eyeshadow from them. It's really nice. I really like it. And that's it. That is it. I'll take this off, fix my hair a little, and I'm gonna put some jewelry on and call it a day. That's it. That's all I do every day. This is my makeup routine. Again, I don't take that much time. I'm not a makeup artist or anything, but I just wanted to show you basically this makeup. I wanted to try it with you. I really like the way it feels. It doesn't feel, if my face looks or feels soft, it doesn't feel like cakey or anything. It's not heavy either. It doesn't have a smell, a heavy smell. The only thing it doesn't have sunscreen. So you need to apply sunscreen before you apply this, especially if you're going out. Protect your face, protect your skin is very, very important from the UV rays because otherwise it promotes premature aging, and so you don't want that, or spots like I have them. So anyway, you have a great day. I just wanted to show you, and talk to you soon. Bye.